Here is a wonderful 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. Here's a family-minded Tiguan that delivers safety and practicality wrapped in understated style. From its driver assist safety features to its impressive fuel efficiency and available third-row seating, this convenient crossover has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, floor mats, engine immobilizer. Sleek style blends with smart practicality in this refined Tiguan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.